Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. This is how to do the Messenger heart effect short video. So, if you ever wondered how to do that, first just simply open up the Messenger application. So, guys, from here, just simply go to the person that you want to do the heart effect with. Now, over here, guys, in order for you to do the heart effects, I will discuss multiple effects that you could try on the Messenger application. So go to the type message, and you will have the emoji icon over here on the right side of the screen. Now, from here, you can just simply go ahead and select through the avatars over here, or you can just simply use the search bar over here and search for heart, and you will have here multiple videos, GIF, avatars, animation, and from here you should be able to do something like that, or we could go for the heart emoji on the emoji tab over here, and you will have this animation over here. If we set this one, as you can see, we have the pop up, or you could go for heart, and you will have the icon on the send icon. And from here, as you can see, you will have suggested down below as well. And you will have avatar effects, and you can send effects as well on the specific message that you have. And pretty much over here, you will have everything you need. And these are the features that you could try on the messenger itself. So guys, this is completely free. You can just simply explore it out. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.